Have you ever imagined what lies beneath our feet? Deep, deep down below the surface, there's a place of intense heat and pressure. This place, hidden from our view, is the Earth's core. Like the center of a juicy apple, the Earth's core is at the very heart of our planet, holding many secrets about our planet's history. For centuries, humans could only dream of reaching the Earth's core. Jules Verne even wrote a famous story about it, Journey to the Center of the Earth. Today, scientists use clever methods to study this mysterious realm. Through their research, we are beginning to understand this powerful force that shapes our world. Scientists cannot dig to the Earth's core. It's simply too deep and too hot. So, how do they know what it's made of? The answer lies in studying earthquakes. When earthquakes occur, they send vibrations called seismic waves through the Earth. These waves change speed and direction as they travel through different materials. By studying these changes, scientists can map out the Earth's interior, much like a doctor uses an ultrasound to see inside the human body. This is how we discovered that the Earth's core is actually divided into two parts, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core is a liquid layer of iron and nickel. Imagine a giant ocean of molten metal. The temperatures here are incredibly high, ranging from 4,500 to 5,500 degrees Celsius. This liquid metal is always moving, creating electric currents that generate a magnetic field around the Earth. Moving inwards, we reach the inner core. Here, the pressure is so immense that the iron and nickel are squeezed together, forming a solid ball. Even though it's as hot as the surface of the sun, the intense pressure keeps the inner core from turning back into a liquid. Did you know that the Earth's inner core is about the size of the moon? That's one massive metal ball. Also, the Earth's magnetic field, generated by the outer core, acts like a giant shield. It protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. Pretty cool, right? The Earth's core may be hidden from view, but its influence is felt everywhere. From the magnetic field that protects us to the heat that drives volcanic activity, the Earth's core plays a vital role in making our planet the unique and vibrant place we call home.